Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve sample guys it's not available on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve sample guys it's not available on your country, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page here you will search about the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about Stumble Guys app. Here in this list we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone and you will turn on your phone again to fix your problems. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.